Hi there and welcome to the Art Lab. My name is Andy and this channel is all about creativity and artistic endeavour. I cover everything from resin artwork, which is one of the key focuses of mine at the moment, through to mixed media, textured art, 3D printing, and combining them all together to create different and unique art pieces. I do artwork such as this with resin, as well as using silicone molds to create amazing home decor like this snake and skull resin piece. I also love creating things with 3D, and my whole goal is to take something like this, a 3D printed object which I sculpted on the iPad, through to printing it out, creating a silicone mold, and then creating a finished resin piece. Art is all about experimentation, and that's why I've set up Andy's Art Lab. I'd really love for you to come on this journey with me. Come along, experiment, try things out, join the community, and subscribe to the channel. Love to see you in the Art Lab. Catch you later.